Hey everyone, it is the Honey Badger here, and today we're going to continue doing some work on the interior of the Nissan 720 as we update it. We've been doing a lot of different things inside of it, but today we're going to be working on updating the door cards inside the doors so we can get this to go with the rest of the pickup now that we've changed the interior over from blue now to a black. So we're going to be putting a new material on this. We'll be removing this old one and using some spray adhesive to put the new stuff down. Now we've obviously taken off like the handle and the knob and the crank wheel for the window and pulled these out of the vehicle. Not very difficult. If you have a similar setup to this, it'll be pretty easy to do. The last thing we need to do is take off this top trim for the window. That pops off pretty easily, and then we're left with the old vinyl that we will just take apart from the back and remove it completely and make sure the surface is good to go. In fact, we actually have the driver's side door card here. Here's what it will look like without the actual vinyl adhered to it. You can see kind of where the old stuff used to sit. We'll clean up some of this crud that's still attached, but other than that, it's going to be good to go so we can put our new material on. So you'll want to probably put something on it that is going to be similar to what came off, something with some padding on it. We have this material that we're going to be using. It's kind of got a diamond pattern in it. It is backed as well with a bit of foam, so very similar thickness. You could, if you really wanted to get into doing something very custom, if you want to do multiple designs or multiple materials, you could cut this and sew in and have it broken apart a little bit in your design. But I actually like the way this looks. We're just going to do this whole door in this look, and we should have enough items on the actual door card itself, like with the handle and the knob, that it'll break up the pattern enough so it doesn't just look like one solid piece, but should look very clean. So we're going to do that. Let's get this other panel prepped and in a position where then we just need our spray adhesive and bring it around the back, and then we'll probably do a little staple gunning to make sure it is secured without it unraveling on us in the future. So let's jump on into it. and there we have it. We have the door cards done, and I'm gonna be honest, this is probably my favorite thing we've done so far in the interior. These look amazing and so much better than I actually honestly expected. So took a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, but man, those turned out good. Now, obviously, for a few of these pieces, you know, we painted this because it was blue, and we painted these because they were blue, like the knobs. But obviously, just getting the actual, you know, fabric down, laid, sprayed on, adhered, it turned out really, really well. And this turned out better than I expected. So that is always going to be a good result if it turns out better than you expected, and it did for me. So I'll leave you guys links in the description down below. You can check out the products that I used to do this. Totally worth it if you're looking to do this on your vehicle, if yours are worn out, and honestly was not that difficult. So definitely check that out and try that for yourself if you're looking to do that. Other than that, make sure you like this video and are subscribed for future content. Check out some of the other interior videos that I made for the pickup and some of the other things that I did. And until next time, I guess I'll just see you guys later.